Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can contact standard chattered customer service for a credit card related queries. So in order to contact the customer service for a standard chattered credit card customer care for a credit card related queries, then you'll need to follow the steps. So basically what you need to do is go ahead and open up a portal or a browser, and on a web address bar type in sc.com/contact us. This is going to take you to their official page. So here if you scroll down a bit, you could find this section as Client Care Center. Underneath you could see that Standard Chartered Bank is 24/7 client care service. Client care centered and it's designed to provide a one-stop solutions for all your banking need. So you just have to pick up the call and get personalized service by dialing a toll-free number. You could see these are the ones, and likewise you could go ahead and select the topic or services related to this. So this way you could contact the service team. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.